So, how do you actually earn 1,000 or 2? Like suppose if you just see my today's day history, I've earned around 1,800 today itself. Like if you can see for the proof also, it's day's history which is as on 9th of November 2020, right? How do you actually do it? Do I have expensive setup? No. If you just see over here, I just have two screens over here as you can see and nothing beside myself. The entire room is completely empty. And that's it. All I have and my dog over here. She's quite sleepy right now. Right? So right away let's get into it. You don't even require a tablet over here which I have, which I just generally keep it for a stock setup. Right? I do multi-time frame analysis. If you can just see, first trade off was around of Nifty November 12,450 CE. Right? I do multiple time frame analysis with firstly the price action. As you can see, the white line over here and the white line over here is my price actions. And if it looks messy to you, it's not to me because I am kind of particularly getting used to it, with the indicators also suggesting me whether to take the trade or not, or how strong is the trend over here. And the time frame analysis which I do is first the 5 minutes over here which I'm doing. The next one is the 10 minutes chart over here which you're seeing, and the next one over here, if I just show you, is also a 30 minutes chart as per the time frame, and the next chart would be for the 1 hour, right? So in just one thing which I trade, I do 4 time frame analysis, right? And these are the 2 tabs which I keep switching on. And the third thing is the global markets over here. As you can see, these are the new Nifty 50 futures, the 5 minutes chart for the Nifty 50, the 30 minutes chart for Nifty 50 futures, 60 minutes and the 1 day time frame. So even if one indicator is telling me to sell it off or to buy it, I do not do that. Why? Because the longer time frames shows us the directional movement, right? And also I do check it out what the global markets are telling me. As you can see, I've got an entire gist of what all the global markets are telling me. And now coming into the second trade which I took, which is just a stocks trade, the IndusInd Bank which you took, I just took 10 quantity of it of 748 rupees, and today itself it went to 775 rupees. And if you ask me why did I take it, pure simple price action. Also confirming with my indicators over here, which is the stochastic RSI and the DMI index. If you don't know how to use them, the link is right in the description or in my playlist channel. So this is all you need guys, just one single screen where you can analyze every single minute over here, right? You do not need big screens over here with multiple 4 screens without earning or even getting started with stock market and blaming over here, right? You need to be a good analyst yourself, picking up the right trades. As you can see, I have picked good trades and I have been holding on to the profitable trades with the analysis which I do, right? So make sure you have a calm mind, no background noise, be in a silent room and do good analysis and have the patience to carry on the trades and earn good profits. Just in case if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon notification. Check out my playlist and other videos on stock market if you're a beginner and want to learn regarding the stock market. Until next time guys, happy investing and bye bye.